Merry Christmas! Yes, this is Mark Rollins from the Geek Church, and I know I just did a holiday special, but guess what? I got two products that I want to talk about with you today. And normally I'll do an unboxing video, but as you can see, not only have I unboxed it, but I've actually put it up on the wall here, because this is going to be the Samsung Crystal UHD 7 Series TU7000 video, as well as this SANUS Vuepoint FLT1. I actually believe that's the formal title of this. We're going to go with that, and I'm going to talk about my experiences with each of them. First of all, I'll start with the Samsung 7 Series because it's a decent television. I've been meaning to do an upgrade. I've had an LG for the past 3 years. It's a decent television, but it was giving me some lag time problems. This I don't have any lag time problems with. This is the 7 Series, and I'm going to show you the picture with this nice remote that includes, and honestly, you can do just about all. So, you can see we got a great picture here. This is 4K, of course, and got all the selection with the menus down here. So if I want to watch something on Hulu or whatever, I can. Or, of course, Disney Plus, and hey, we're doing some selection here. Da, 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 da. Let's watch The Mandalorian. Yeah, or we can play something else. Anyway, takes a little bit of getting used to on this, and honestly, I've been with TiVo for several years. I'm actually going to clip TiVo and see about getting into this. This seemed to have all these channels kind of ready to go. Right from the get-go. Not even really sure even how to use them, honestly. This is the fun part about this. So, in fact, am I even in the right spot? I can't even tell. Alright. Well, as you can see, I've got a lot of stuff to learn on this here. Namely, every button and stuff like that. Setup was pretty simple. It was mostly plug and play, which I like, of course. And anytime that's you got plug and play, that's always a good thing. So let's see, man. Okay, all right. Since I'm so excited about this, let's just try this Samsung TV Plus. So, and we're set up here. Go to channel. Okay. This probably doesn't look good and stuff like that, but let me tell you, this is a pretty good television. And I'm just going to set her up on something good here. So, got a good stereo. I'm very surprised at it. Didn't really have to use any of my stereo stuff to make good sound. It's, let's see. I'm not sure how well this will come through on here, so that's why I'm a little bit hesitant to do this. Actually, can we just do this? Can we hit Jurassic Park here? Am I violating anything with this? So, let's do a resume playing on this.
Key check space minus O, key checks off, safety space minus O. He's turning the safety systems off.
Pretty loud.
Anybody can see what he's about to do. Now, look at this next entry.
Anyway, so we got ourselves a really good television here, 65 inches. And let's see, now I was a little bit upset that my last TV had 3 ports, this only has 2. So if you might have to do a little switch out if you've got several gaming systems. Other than that, this is a very decent television. I found it on the Samsung website for about $545 or $525. Pretty decent for you. Very easy to set up. I've got it mounted on the wall, which I'll discuss, but it has 2 legs that jack into the bottom of it that were about the hardest part to assemble in this thing, seriously. Comes right out of the box, pretty ready to go. Anyway, let's talk about this guy. I kind of wish I had done like a more intense video about how to really do a how-to on this, and I kind of wanted to. But these things, honestly, okay, I really have my only laziness to blame on that. SANUS is I believe they've been making stuff like this for years, TV wall mounts, and it's already here. this is definitely the after here. I don't really have the before. Let me tell you that it was very easy to mount. I'm going to discuss with you a few things about mounting these things that you got to know. First of all, you got to know where your studs are. Get a stud sensor, find out. We figured out where those were, and we actually missed it. We were drilling, and suddenly the drill just kind of went woo right into the wall quicker than it should have been. And if you get a stud, you know it because it's like you're really drilling into that stud. And then you gotta mount this little plate on the wall. And I'm wondering if I can't really see what I'm gonna show you guys, but here's how this thing basically sets up. I wonder if there's a way to show this here. Okay. If you can look at this thing, there's like these two T-shaped bars that you just screw into the back of your TV, and then you actually take this like track that looks like kind of like this, and you drill it into the wall. This is why I'm saying you need to know where your studs are. And then it's sort of just like a track, and then all you have to do is just schlick, put it in place, and then use some screws to secure it in place. This took me about an hour or so to do. It actually, I'm going to say about 2 or 3 hours, and the reason why is because I just didn't have the right parts. I had to go to the hardware store twice to find the right part, just to find the screw that I would need to just get into the wall. Now, actually, the head on the little, because I had like, there was a hex bolt, and it just didn't have the right one. When you do these things, you uncover problems like this. Anyway, so I'm going to recommend both the Samsung television, which is the TU7000, and this SANUS Vuepoint FLT1. If you guys want to mount this on the wall, as you can see, it looks pretty darn good. And this might be a good Christmas present for someone else or yourself. I know our family is going to benefit from this. And this is Mark Rollins from the Geek Church signing off and wishing you a very happy holiday. It's Christmas time. And hey, we already had the holiday special, but I'm always glad to give you another great Christmas message. But this is Mark Rollins signing off.